Let's face it, social media is making us depressed. It's funny that the very networks which were designed to bring people together are in reality drifting people apart. And although we're surrounded by thousands of online friends, in reality, we're feeling more lonelier than ever before. And in case you're wondering how to fix things, first and foremost, get out of your houses, get off your phones, get away from your computers, and come to the houses of Allah. Not only will this be extremely rewarding for your spirituality, it is extremely beneficial for your social and mental well-being. And if praying side by side, shoulder to shoulder wasn't enough, we need to give salam to those beside us, those we know or those we don't. And after you've done that, the Prophet ﷺ, he would always emphasize the importance of visiting one another. The Prophet ﷺ, he tells us of an amazing instance where a man went out to visit his friend for the sake of Allah. He is stopped by an angel. The angel says to the man, "Where are you going?" He says, "I'm going to visit my brother such and such." The angel says to him, "Do you have any favors? Anything you want off the brother?" Which is like us today, the only time we go visit someone or call someone is when we need something. He says, "No, I just love him for the sake of Allah. I'm visiting him because I love him for the sake of Allah." The angel says, "Then know that I'm a messenger to inform you that Allah loves you just as you love your brother." Subhanallah, Allah loves you. Just because you're visiting your mate, just because you're visiting your brother, this is our religion. A religion with all solutions to whatever social problems you throw at it. May Allah alleviate the feelings of loneliness and social exclusion from amongst our youth, from amongst our elderly, and may Allah bring peace to society. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.